Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make an attendance sheet on Google Sheets. Let's get started. Here I have prepared my data like this, and we're going to make an attendance sheet with this data. And the first thing we should do is we have to put checkbox to this column. So I'm going to put checkbox to this cell. So select the cell that we want to put the checkbox to, and after that we can click on data, like right here, data option, and then choose data validation, and then click on add rule right here, and on this criteria we can click on this button, then choose the checkbox right here, guys. You can go down until you find checkbox option, then click on it. Then after that we can put formula to this column. So you have to pay attention to this formula, okay? Then select the range and put this criteria, then enter. All right, and we can do autofill like this. Then I'm gonna give you an example. Okay, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can create an attendance sheet on Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.